For convenience, the box doubles as a fitting template. Steve is now marking the fixings of the control unit at the height of 1.6 metres, out of the reach of any children. As this is a left-hand motor installation, the connections are green and yellow to earth, motor blue wire to N3, brown motor wire connects to L1, and the black motor wire connects to L2. There are two arrow indicators which show direction of the roller barrel rotation. By rotating the adjuster to the plus direction, the door travel is extended, or vice versa, by rotating the adjuster to the negative direction, door travel is reduced. Carefully move the door curtain and bottom rail over so that there is no free play at the back of the door, and mark the bottom rail with a pencil in line with the inner edge of the door guide. The sensor magnet should be fitted 10 mm further away from this pencil line position. As a guide, the key fob casing is just 10 mm wide. Extra short screws are provided for compact doors. The Roll Smart track is fitted level with the bottom of the sensor magnet and in line with the inner edge of the door guide. Open the door and switch it off. Connections for a single size door are white wired to 0V, green wired to RA1, brown wired to 12V. Turn back on the system. To commission, press the RS1 operating button for 1 second. Wait 2 seconds and then press the RS1 button again and the door will close. The door should stop just before it touches the floor and then partially reopen, confirming correct setup. Note, do not stop the door during the door close setup cycle. If you make a mistake, simply open the door and repeat the door close procedure.